Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super at 60. I don't normally do a video on a weekend, and I don't normally do videos like this. Oh, every once in a while I might throw one in, but this isn't what I'm going to call an unboxing. And the reason I have all these boxes is because every once in a while Lou says to me, he'll say, you know, I got an order, you know, on Amazon. I needed to buy a few things. You have some things you need? That's like all I need to hear. Right? Anything you need? Yeah, sure. So I like leave for like 2 hours or something, you know, and he'll call up later or whatever. He'll say, well, did you need anything? Well, yeah, hang on. And then I'll start clicking things, you know, after I've been going for 2 hours through Amazon and figuring out what I just have to have. So these are my boxes, and I have to have these things. So he goes ahead and he orders them for me. And now some things in these boxes I do believe are things that he actually ordered. But my dilemma today, I have a bit of a dilemma. I can't remember what I ordered. I can't remember. I know one thing that I ordered. And funny enough, it may not even be in these boxes, but it could be sitting in my mailbox, so I may have to run out there real quick and see if that came today. But anyway, let's get started because it's just a mishmash of stuff that I wanted to, just to make, you know, sometimes you just have to go shopping and you just have to buy a little something, and sometimes you need something. There's a couple things in here that I know I needed. I don't remember what they were, so I guess I really didn't need them that bad, but I wish you guys were sitting out here. We just had the most wicked thunderstorm, and it just ran through the area, and now I don't know if you can hear just the slight drips left behind, but yeah, and there's that crow again. It's like every time I come out here to talk, he tries to overtalk me, you know, trying to out-talk me. So I see him sitting over there. Yeah, he's flying. Oh, I hear you, I hear you. I don't think I want to know what he's saying. All right, let's get started and open these boxes and see what I got. All right, let's start right here. I'm kind of excited. It's almost like Christmas morning. What could it be? Maybe this is Lou's stuff. I don't know. I have no idea. So we'll just see. All right. Oh, fudge. It's another box. Alright, these are Lou's. Yeah, these are definitely Lou's. He likes these for his hands. Gotta have them for his hands. So we always have boxes of these around. We got them in the car. We got them everywhere. So yeah, these are definitely Lou's. Oh, I use them too, I guess, on occasion. I like to throw them in my purse, you know, and they're the antibacterial ones. So, okay, what can I say? Not a commercial for these guys, but it is what we use on occasion. Alright, let's see what is in this big one here. Must be a bunch of stuff in here. Alright. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Oh, yay! Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, well, here we go. What do we got here first? Alright. Alright, here is the first thing that is for me, and now my heart is just going like this because I'm so excited. I have to tell you a little secret about me. I absolutely adore linen. I like linen tablecloths. I mean, the actual fabric. I love linen shirts. I love linen aprons. And I have to have linen sheets. I have to have them. And I've only got one pair, but it is true what they say. You only really need one or two really good pairs of linen sheets, almost to last you a lifetime, because when you wash and wear, they just get better. There is nothing like just sinking into a bed of a nice, fresh, clean set of linen sheets. And I have a pair of cream ones, like almost like a khaki color, and I love them. You just year-round, they're perfect. But and I'm not doing it. This is not a commercial for anything. You know, nobody knows me. Nobody sent me anything. I bought all this stuff. You want to see my credit card slip, you know, to prove it to you guys. I hope I like them. Anyway, a linen sheet set is what I got, and they are pure white. What could be more wonderful and crisp and comforting than a pair of white linen sheets? I'm so excited. I can't get them out fast enough. Oh, you know, it's kind of like having a shower here or something, you know. I mean, we're having a shower outside, but like a, you know, a bridal shower or something. It's kind of nice. All right, beautiful. Okay, they come real pretty, all packaged up really nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and just, I gotta feel them. I have to feel the linen. I love linen. Oh, I can see already. You know, linen has a look to it. It's just, oh my goodness, these are beautiful. And I did not spend a fortune on these. You can with linen. You can with any sheets, really. But linen in particular, their sheets can be very, very expensive. Okay, they are beautiful. They are just beautiful. They are soft. And they're going to be perfect tonight. Just perfect. I can't wait to get them on the bed. Oh, they are lovely. Oh, do they smell? No, they're 100% cotton. They're cotton linen. They're 100%, they're organic. So yeah, they better not smell. All right, so let's go ahead and cover this back up because they're white, of course. And let's go ahead and dig deeper and see what else I got. All right, linen sheets. There you go. All right, and also in here, I really forgot that I had ordered this, but I desperately needed one of these. This is a new mattress pad, you know, just to cover up your mattress. And it's really super plush and soft on top, like really nice and thick when you put it over your top mattress. And I needed one so bad because mine was just, you know, once you start to get a little rip and that little bit elasticy around the sides of the box spring, it's it just keeps going. I mean, you can sew it all you want, but it just keeps ripping. So mine has ripped, and I've just been letting it go, and it keeps slipping off the mattress, and it's just a pain in the neck. So I did treat myself to a nice, beautiful all cotton little mattress cover here. Oh, it's lovely. It's so squishy. It's so squishy. Like that Charmin commercial. That's what I feel like. All right, well, that's great. Those are two great things. And actually, I will probably have both of those things on my bed before I go to bed tonight. Yeah. Down, there's other stuff in here. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to bring the box to me. This is probably the not so easy way of doing it, but let's see. Is there anything else in here for me? It looks like this. Oh, that's for me. This is like Christmas. This is wonderful. Yeah, every once in a while you gotta treat yourself to a little something. You know, it's not much. Well, the sheets are probably my biggest splurge, I guess. I had forgotten all about it. How could I forget them? And these are all just toiletries that Lou had ordered some vitamins to, and okay, all right, nothing to see here. All right, well, that was a big box, but it needed to be. Okay, now this. I have wanted a set like this for a while. And you know, when Lou says, do you need anything? Do you want anything? You know what I say. Wait, honey, I'll let you know. Yeah, just wait, Lou, I'll let you know. All right, these are called wood spatulas. You know, like that spurtle thing, I think they call it, wood spatulas. It's a whole set of acacia wood. Yeah, I have one of these for a while, so I'm very excited. And you'll probably see these on Super 60 at some point or another. Oh, these are cute. How many are there in here, for pity's sakes? Okay. All right, that's nothing there. Okay, look at all these. A whole bunch of them. They're different sizes, you know, for different mixing needs, I guess, and cooking needs. Let's go ahead and open them, see what they're gonna look like. They're really nicely wrapped. Got this nice little sticky on there. Oh, cool. Oh, wow, it feels so good in your hand. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay, I think it's gonna start storming again. I don't know, we'll see about that. But I went ahead and opened up the rest of them, and they're just beautiful. I like this one. I wonder, what would you use this one for? I think this one is really, really nice, and I love the size of this one. It's kind of a little smaller. You know, you have a really good hand on it. Good for just anything. You could replace all your stuff with this. But I love this one. This little thin, narrow one, because y'all know I do sourdough, and I keep my sourdough in a quart jar. And this is going to be very helpful with stirring my sourdough starter, making sure that I get all the stuff from the bottom. Oh, it's so nice and smooth. This is a beautiful set, and I am so glad that I went with that. Yeah. All right. I'll put all this stuff below for you in case you're also thinking, you know what, I could use a new mattress cover too. You know, so I did my best to find the best. For not so much money. You know, I didn't feel like spending a fortune, but I did need some things. So we'll see. And I also got some new kitchen towels. I love these. They're so pretty. They're like a black and a white. And they're nice, good quality. They're good size. You can see that. Very, very pretty. I think that'll look pretty in the kitchen. I think it will also look pretty. You know, sometimes I have to think in mind in terms of how my food is going to be displayed on Super 60. And sometimes just, you'll see these, I'm sure, from now on, from here on out, you'll see them on my thumbnail pictures and whatever, and in my kitchen. I like to just, you know, toss this down, and maybe that with one of those little spurtles or something in a wood bowl with something in it would just be kind of homespun, kind of a homespun look, and that's what I like. And I got 3 of those. It was a set of 3. And some of my towels I did throw out when I was packing up some of my kitchen. I can't pack up my whole kitchen yet, but I did pack up some, maybe 50% or maybe 60%. And some towels, they had seen better days. Some of those towels were from my original bridal shower, if you can believe it. Yeah, and they still had no holes in them. They still were as cute as ever, but just trying to step it up a little bit here, that's all. All right, and I have one more box, and I don't know what's in here. I wonder if this is everything. Lou thought that everything was in here, but I don't know. Like I said, I know there's one thing that isn't here yet. So let's see what this is. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we are not coffee connoisseurs, so this is not any kind of a specialty coffee machine. As you'll see, it's as basic as they come, but that's what we like. I mean, that's all we need. It's a little step up from your most basic, but still, there it is. All right. Our new coffee machine is here, and I'm thrilled. I'm just thrilled. It is so simple and so basic that I have a feeling that even I'm going to be able to learn how to make some coffee in this, you know. Me and this mechanical kind of stuff and pushing buttons and doing things, and we don't always go together too well. But this, I see a little red button there. Maybe I can actually learn to press that red button. I wonder what that does. Doesn't the bed look nice? I can't wait to just dive into that tonight. Those beautiful linen, fresh white sheets. They are just so beautiful. And actually the final package did come, and I was so excited. Lou brought it up to me. It is a gorgeous linen pink apron, and again, more linen. The fit is perfect. I absolutely love it. It's a little longer in length, which I really am liking. It's perfect. It's almost as though this apron was made for me. It's really that nice of a fit. It's got pockets up top and on the sides there, right in the middle. And it's got this cute little towel, and it's so nice and soft. It just snaps onto the little pocket, and you can just wipe your hand right on it, and you're good to go. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this kind of a video, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.